Okay. I am on time, just for the record. I can't imagine this is going to be more than 10 minutes, guys, because I'm in the middle of my workday. And also, the only reason I'm doing this live is because I'm too lazy to edit and then post. So, let's see. I have this footage from News 12. I haven't even watched it yet. It's only like 3 minutes long. But anyways, there was this hearing in the criminal case for Laura Owens this morning. Her criminal attorneys have officially withdrawn, and she's requested a public defender. So we're going to see how that went really quick. I don't think you guys need to see my face for this. Because I'm feeling look bad, feel bad. You know, is that the saying? So give me 1 sec. Yeah, you can see that. All right, we're just going to play through this.
This is CR 2025-006-831, State versus Laura Owens. Time set for a complex case management conference. Can I get appearances, please?
Jennifer Lett on behalf of Ed Leiter for the state, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sandra Schutz with Kolsrud Law Offices on behalf of Laura Michelle Owens. She's out of custody and present, standing to my left.
All right. Ma'am, can I get your name and date of birth, please?
Laura Owens, 5/14/1990.
Okay, thanks. I did get the complex case management report. Then I also got Ms. Schutz.
Hold on. Sorry, I fucked something up here. No, we're good.
Is a motion to withdraw. Ms. Owens, I know you wanted to appear here virtually, but now that the council issue came up, need you here in person to figure out what we're going to do moving forward. So what I'm going to do is I will grant that motion to withdraw. Ms. Owens, was your intention to hire another attorney, or how did you want to proceed?
Your Honor, I'm going to need to have a public defender.
Okay, so I did review a previously submitted financial affidavit and reviewed my previous determination regarding imminency, regarding appointments of experts. I'm just going to affirm that finding. I'm going to appoint the Office of Public Defense Services to represent Ms. Owens. Ms. Schutz, you're going to be relieved of any further obligations in this matter. What I'll do...
Yeah, so that's a done deal. Like, this already happened. They already withdrew. So she has to have a public defender now. I have a feeling this is going to be like T-Move Jody Arias does Kmart Sarah Boone. Like, it's going to get ugly, I think. But I'm just wondering now that they're gone, which they seem to manage her kind of public outbursts very well, how long it's going to be until she starts threatening people on a public blog again. I give it a week. We'll see. We'll see. Because I don't know if she's going to listen to a public defender. I feel like she's going to go through a few of them. But that's just me speculating. So,
do we have a availability next week for a status conference?
Where's the dark? What's in your week?
Oh, that is Thanksgiving. How about the following week?
December 2nd at 9:10.
All right. So, Ms. Owens, there's a little bit of administrative delay between my appointment and when they actually assign a lawyer. I'm going to set a status conference for December 2nd at 9:10. By that time, that administrative proceeding should have occurred. You'll have your new lawyer. They should be here to meet with you on that date, and we can discuss our future dates moving forward. There is a chance, though, since whatever lawyer gets appointed may not be available that day, that I might have to move that date slightly. So if you could give us your contact information, give that to my courtroom assistant. What we'll do is we will forward that to the attorney that is appointed to represent you, and also that way they can get in communication with you if you have to move that date. Got it? Okay, but December 2nd at 9 o'clock is the date you need to be here in person.
Okay.
If you don't show up, a warrant could issue for your arrest.
that's you might want to write that down, Laura. If you don't show up, there could be a warrant for your arrest. I'm sure she'll try to not show up or ask to appear virtually or whatever. I saw somewhere on one of the social media channels, which our friend Rob was there in person today, and he was feeding some information. So something about an ex parte email to the judge where she had tried to go virtual for this hearing. I can't verify that, obviously, but that's just something that I saw come up. I think that's about it. Hang on. What did I just miss?
December 2nd at 9 o'clock is the date you need to be here in person.
Okay.
If you don't show up, a warrant could issue for your arrest. All right. I think that's pretty much all we can do today, given the status of her attorney. Thank you. We are in recess in this matter.
Thank you.
Thank
Ellen.
you.
So he's like, get me the fuck out of here. Dude, I'd be picking up my bag and trying to leave too if I were her. I'm sure she went through hell with her as a client. I'm not sure exactly what it was. I saw a comment here. Where did it go? Okay, not this one, but still. Ken Jingers, quick jump in. Look at me, daddy. I'm a criminal lawyer now. I do not want to see that happen. I think that would actually be like terrible for everyone. You know how he was coming after everyone in the family law trial, the way he would talk about the other lawyers and just like random people in general. I don't really want to see him represent her again, even if he could. And I doubt that that's a possibility, given his, I think, status as a witness. So, I think he's a witness in the criminal case. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, dude. I don't know. But I saw a comment over here, and I can't find it now, but it said something about her, antics in San Francisco backfiring. I don't know that that really has anything to do with San Francisco. I mean, she just got 7 new charges. So if anything, I would assume it's like that's what caused some friction. I don't know, or she can't afford it. I mean, I don't know what she would pay them with. I have no idea what she was paying them with in the first place. But yeah, I don't see her taking a plea. I don't see her playing well with the public defender. Whatever public defender she gets is not making enough money to do this. So, I really don't have any insight into what actually caused them to withdraw, but I can only speculate. So yeah, like I said, I don't think this is going to start to go the way it's always gone. Maybe she's going to crash out on the internet. We'll see. I would actually be perfectly happy if she did not do that. I feel like I don't really need to see any more kind of like destructive behavior. I'm just saying that's what I'm expecting. So we'll see. I feel like after Clayton's trial, when David went on vacation to Europe, he had made her like stop publicly posting, which is, interestingly enough, he did give her some good advice occasionally. And that was one of them. So when he went on vacation to Europe, she was posting like day after day after day after he had asked her not to post publicly, like, I don't know for how long. So, yeah. All right, guys. I don't really have much else for you right now. I'm sure I'll be back tonight. It'll be later, probably like 9 p.m. Eastern, but I got to get back to work. So like I said, this was going to be like less than 10 minutes. So there's not really much else I can say right now. Anyways, I just wanted to go over that. So, yeah, I got to dip. Bye.